Welcome back to the Life of T, y'all. If you are new here, then thank you for joining me, and y'all already know what I say. If you are returning, then thank you as well. Bear with me please, because I'm low-key sounding like a few octaves lower. For some reason my voice is went hoarse like within the last 24 hours, and I was already determined to do this video, so we just gonna get into it. Well, as y'all see that my hair is in a cap, you know, pulled up in some clips. Today we are doing a wash and go. Y'all, the last time I tried a wash and go, it was a wash and no. It was like 2 years ago, and I don't know, I feel like I was doing all the right steps, but maybe not really. It was just really giving Jerry curl. So I'm back and I'm better, hopefully, maybe more educated on what to do. So yeah, we just gonna hope that this turns out great. Okay, so the products that well, let me just rewind it back. I've already washed, deep conditioned, and put in leave-in conditioner and just like split it into parts. I figured let's just get right into it. No point in doing the before and all of that. So now that we have leave-in conditioner, the two products that I'm using, one is TGIN's Thank God It's Natural. This buttercream, I've used this several times before, not before wash and go, but just for my twist outs. So that, and then also the Extreme Gel, and I'm sure everybody know about this because I mean it's like a natural hair staple at this point. So those are the two things that we're gonna use, and I just got a spray bottle with warm water in it just in case that my hair, you know, needs a little sprucing up while we're going through the process, because of course it does take a while. So anyway, I am going to start with the back. Like the back of my hair, it retains moisture and products better than the front. It just be a mess. So we're just going to start with the back, and I'm not even going to take my whole hair out of it because I want to keep like the heat, because I set it on the dryer with this leave-in conditioner in. So I want to keep this like heated and moisturized, and I just took out the back, this little piece. So let's see if we can do that. Here we go. Look at it, just juicy. I love like the back of my hair. It always does this thing. But we are gonna split this a little bit more because my hair is thicker, and I, you know, wanna make sure I'm coating it pretty good. So I'm gonna split this part into just this. You only need a little bit out at a time because you do wanna make sure your hair is like fully coated, okay? I'm just gonna clip this right on back up. Oof, this product on my hand, these clips is slippery. Anyway, okay. So this is about as much hair I have out. I am gonna start with the cream first. Just getting a nice size and raking it through. I mean, you can use a comb if you want to, but I mean, you don't really gotta do all that. I like to use my fingers. And just making sure it's super saturated. And if you want to do like some little spirals in there, you can do that too, but I'll do it once I put the gel on there. Y'all, I'm really hoping this turns out good. Like, first of all, I haven't did a natural hair video in forever, and so this would be perfect for a little comeback. Now I might have put too much gel in my hand, but that's about as much as I got in there. But we do want some crunch anyway, because if you don't got no crunch, then it's probably not gonna turn out good if you don't got enough gel on there. And I might have put too much on there, but I am gonna do this, just some little finger coils. Isn't that what you call it? Might have put a little bit too much gel on there. May have underestimated that, cause look, now look at it. Okay, maybe I won't do the finger coils. I'll just rake it through. Uh-oh. Lesson number one, don't put too much gel in there. Cause then look, we gonna fix it with the diffuser, y'all. We gonna fix it. We gonna let it do its thing, cause I might have put too much in there. Let's see. Maybe if I mix it with what, let me pull this other part down since I haven't did that yet. Maybe if I mix the two. Let me at least put the cream in there. I am gonna use my little detangler brush to make sure this is evenly in there. Trying to show y'all as much as possible. Let's put a little bit more cream. Make sure you're getting at the root, cause oof, that'd be the part that you want to be all poofy and stuff. We don't got time for that. Alright. Now this time I'm only gonna use a little bit of gel because I'm gonna try to like mix it in with the part that I already messed up. So just a little. I don't know if that's a little or not, but I'm gonna rake this through there and mix it in with the other part. And we'll do it all together. Y'all, so this is what she's giving. I don't know if I really like it. I don't know. I just wish it was a little bit more curlier. But we're gonna see when we finish this diffusing process. So I did put these little clips in the front because I want my hair to like dry this way, like with the middle part bust down. Anyway, so I put those right there and we're just gonna get into it. I will say, hopefully we won't start no fire up in here because I forgot my diffuser attachment. This dryer I don't even use anymore because I really think it low-key was about to catch fire one time. But my other dryer that I have doesn't fit. This doesn't fit on there. So I'm gonna hope for the best, hope I don't throw no fires up in here, and diffuse my hair with this and then use the other one when it's time to like stretch it out or whatever. But yeah, let's just hope we don't start a fire, y'all, cause ooh, yeah, I need this diffuser to work. I forgot all about it. Otherwise, I probably would have tried to get a diffuser for my other dryer, but we just gonna do what it do. Maybe if we just have it on like low, but that's gonna take all day. We ain't gonna put it on low. We just gonna hope for the best. You do wanna try not to manipulate your hair too much, like, you know, just lightly touch it since it does have product on there. You don't wanna be breaking out the curls, nothing like that. So, you know, lightly do it, but yeah, let's get started. So pretty much you will continue to do this until your hair is about 75 to 80% dry. You don't need to do it any longer than that because you are going to use more heat when you get ready to stretch it. Okay, so this is what we're giving so far. I'm gonna go ahead and take these clips out. This is what's given so far. I know that it's shrunk. I know, but this is when we're about to get into the stretching process. I do wish it was like, you see the, I don't know, can you see that? Y'all probably can't. But it's like dry pieces up here, so I don't, like, when it gets to the top of my head, I don't know, it be doing its own thing when it dries up. So I am a little worried about that. But the back is like, it's doing its thing. So this is the tricky part. You don't really want to like touch too much of it. I'm gonna try to clip this part up and just leave the back down, because you don't want to manipulate it too much. So I'm gonna just clip this over to the side. Maybe let me just put two clips like this. Maybe I need 3, golly, because we're going to just do section by section to you know, stretch it. All right, so I did plug up my other dryer. By the grace of God, we didn't burn up in here. This is giving crazy, looking crazy, but we're just gonna hold it like right here lightly. I don't have the little attachment piece. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's like a little, it don't even matter. We just gonna use this, and I'm gonna use medium, maybe heat. That's high. But we're gonna use the medium one, and then I'll probably have to do a voiceover because it's gonna be too loud, but let's get started. You will need the patience from God himself. This part is the longest part. I ain't gonna lie, I was ready to just like rush through it, which I still probably could have took my time on it, but you do want to make sure you are getting your hair as stretched as possible, because that shrinkage be real, and you don't want to go through all of this just for your hair to still be drawn up on your head. I know I could have did better, but it's a long process. Okay, so I just did just this little piece, but I know it's not really like a big difference, but it's a subtle difference. Like this is still hanging up here, and then this is kind of stretching down a little bit. So that's pretty much the point of this. Is to continue to stretch your hair so that it's gonna be big and poofy. So I'm just gonna keep at that. Y'all eyes tired, but I'm gonna keep at it until we get the ultimate goal. I'm gonna keep at it. One side down with the stretch. I don't know, maybe this is as far as my hair gonna stretch, but I've been at this for a minute and I don't wanna like dry it out. So I said I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna still do the other side and see at the end what it's giving, but right about now, I don't know, okay? I don't know. Yeah, let me do the other side, and then I guess we'll come back for the finishing look, because I don't know what else to show y'all besides what I'm doing right now. But she giving a little something. We gonna see. Yeah, we just gonna see. All right, y'all, here we go. This is what she's giving. I'm feeling it, but I just wish it was a little bit more curly. Maybe all this work I just had to do was like from start to finish like 3 hours, 2.5 hours. Like, ugh. A wash and go is not a wash and go, baby. It's a wash and do a bunch of stuff now. But I'm feeling it though. Maybe I could have spent a little bit more time trying to stretch it, but I really didn't want to use like a lot of heat on my hair, and I need to stop touching it. But I didn't want to use a lot on my hair. But yeah, this is what she giving. It is pretty much dry. It's probably like 95% dry. But she giving something. I don't know. But yeah, I think I like it. And I don't know what it's gonna be looking like by tomorrow. I'm gonna try my best to preserve it, because I've seen a TikTok, I mean not a TikTok, but a YouTube video on like how to, you know, put your hair up when it you did a wash and go. So we're gonna see if it works. But yeah, this is what she giving. I don't know what the back giving, but the front, she giving a little something. All right, y'all, if you did like this video, and I hope that you did, or felt a little sorry for me or something, but if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment. All those things mean so much to me. I'm gonna try to find some more natural hair stuff to do, because I have been slacking. I'm gonna call myself a natural hair girly and not even pulling up for the community, okay? But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.